Hey friends, I am Catherine and I just got to watch the movie Mary Queen of Scots yesterday and I really liked it, and I was inspired by it to draw some Celtic knotwork. I'm thinking I want to do this for like the cover of the card or something maybe. We'll see how it goes. We'll just draw a bit on this yellow paper and see what we end up with. Other than that, I think it was just kind of a really fun movie. As I said, I enjoyed it a lot. Mary, Stuart, Queen of Scots, as she ended up being called, was a really awesome historical figure. She did, well, not really a whole lot for the advancement of Scotland, really. She was their first, well, one of their first independent queens to rule without someone by her side for her entire reign. She did have a husband for a lot of her reign, but not all of it. And she often gets compared to Queen Elizabeth of England, and is shown side by side with Elizabeth of England in the movie a lot, because Elizabeth had come to the throne of England a couple of years before Mary returned to Scotland, and was a Queen of England on her own at the same time. And they had this kind of really odd relationship. They called each other cousin in letters, and wrote letters to each other fairly often, not constantly, but often enough, and never actually met each other in person. They were a threat to each other. Particularly Mary was a threat to Elizabeth because she was a Stuart, and the Stuarts had once ruled England, so she had, in her mind and in the minds of a lot of others, a legitimate claim to the throne of England, which, since Elizabeth had never married and had, for the most part, stated her intention to never marry, was quite a bit of a threat. Mary had married, and her husband had died before she had ever returned to Scotland. I'm trying not to get into the history after the start of the movie in case you guys want to go watch it. Anyway, I enjoyed it immensely. It was a good movie. It didn't embroider history too much. There was a little bit, but not too much. So I thought it was a lot of fun. Anyway, I was inspired to do this, and now let's go ahead and do a little bit of work on it, I think. Go. Now that wasn't so difficult and ended up quite a bit of fun, I think. I like it a lot, and I'm sure to put it to good use somewhere. Just have to figure out where I want it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. I'm always happy to hear from you. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all another day. That's it for now, I think. Bye.